I'm ready. I think everyone is dreaming of being on this side, a VIP seat. Let's step in. Hello, sir.
Greetings, sir. To the usual place. How was your day, sir? All fine and dandy?
So this is how it looks like on the VIP passenger side. So you should know that you have an ashtray here if you want to smoke. Do you have a cigarette, sir?
No, I do not. I do not smoke. And neither do you, sir. You've quit a long time ago.
Thank you. I'm faring very well now. That's why I have this car, because I saved money by not smoking. But let's start by showing the tech inside. Are you ready? Or are you hungry?
Both.
Okay, let's set up the map from here. And let's go to... Where do we want to go? Let's see. Let's search for... They have good chicken here. So yeah, I can use my finger to write cities on this infotainment system. So let's go to Crevedia. They have good chicken there. Have you heard of chicken of Crevedia?
No, sir.
Except the destination I've inputted here. Thank you.
Done.
Now I can use this infotainment system, this infotainment screen with my finger. And this is the home screen where I can see information about the map. I can see the weather at the destination actually, and traffic on the route. So everything is fine. I have real-time traffic information and I'll be there on time eating chicken. I can also control the infotainment system from here, everything that belongs to the media side of the car. So I can select radio stations, and we have to listen to some classic music because we have the Bowers & Wilkins sound system, which is almost 5,000 euros, and it's worth every cent. I can see the map here, but I can't see the speed that my driver is doing.
I think we have 6 miles per hour, sir.
Okay, I think that's good. I can also see car information and car settings.
Oh look, the local fauna.
Oh, that's a nice chariot. I would love to own that thing. I can adjust the equalizer in the car. I can put more treble or bass. I can control the display, so I can adjust the brightness of my screen. There's another one right there. And I can also select the ambient lighting. Let's see if we have, lilac and Bowers & Wilkins. So I have light inside, of course. Let's see what else I can play with. Seat comfort. So I can turn on the seat massage. Oh, that's awesome. Let's have the whole body activation. Let's see what else do we have here. Oh, seat climate control. Oh, great. Air conditioning here. Seat heating rear right. No, I don't need that. It's too hot already outside. And I also have apps, and I can see weather. Oh, 6% chance of raining. Do I have my umbrella with me?
Of course, in the trunk, sir.
Okay. And also the guns?
Yes.
Did you get rid of the body?
That's not for you to know. It's called plausible deniability, sir.
Very well. Let's see what else do we have here. So I want some privacy now, because I might use my right hand. Nice. I'm feeling very important now. I also have a tablet here. Look. So if you want to know how being rich feels like, you just press this button and this tablet will raise by itself to be picked up. So this is a Samsung tablet, like the cheapest one you can find, but this comes with the car. I have this and this, they're doing the same thing. So I can control the media and the radio station. This is connected to the car infotainment system, the iDrive system. And I can also select the radio here, and you can see it changing instantly here. I can also switch to Bluetooth music with my phone, screen mirroring, or music collection. I can also see the navigation system, and I can operate this map like this, which I find very stupid. I can also input destinations here, and I can select night mode for the map or other styles to be displayed. I can also see driving information. So right now we are doing 33 kilometers per hour and we are heading northwest with zero consumption. We also have a special menu for car, so I can adjust the climate control. So let's turn on the fragrance because the driver smells, and I'll choose golden number 2, and I'll activate ionization, which is already on, and I can control the temperature here, so I can set 22 degrees from here, or I can stretch my arm, but of course this car is 140,000 euros, so I can do that. Maximum AC. Of course I want maximum AC. I can also turn on the seat ventilation. I can adjust my seat from here after I activate seat massage. So let's have the whole body activation set on level 3. Oh yeah, that feels good. And I can adjust the seat in front of me. I can move it forward or backwards. And that is the maximum that it goes on this standard wheelbase 7 series. And then I can control my seat. So I can lower it, I can raise it, and I can also adjust the lumbar support or my headrest. If I want more, I can also connect an Hdmi input, so I can put my PlayStation. What PlayStation do I have? Is it 5 or 6?
I think you have the 7, sir.
Thank you for reminding me that. I also have 2 USB-C ports and an audio output for both passengers. So now I can put the tablet back here, and it works really nice. I can also adjust my position from the buttons mounted here, and yeah, I can enjoy this road trip to Crevedia. And now I can sleep.
Sorry for the interruption, sir, but we're almost there. 300 meters in closing.
Thank you very much.
250 meters.
I'm feeling hungry already.
200 meters.
Okay.
We have arrived.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Can you buy me some bread, please?
No problem.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Yes, do.